Human Beings and Nature by Paul Saleh.
Human beings throughout the universe should live in harmony with nature. That is to say that a given human race, anywhere in the universe, should live in the correct balance with their home planet. They should live in such a way as to care for their home planet by not destroying it, by looking after all life forms that also live there, and by respecting the seasons and cycles of the natural world. The first obvious rule of thumb, which should be crystal clear to anybody with half a brain, is that every life-harboring planet of every size and kind has its natural limits. Every plant and animal community evolves over countless eons, developing ever more complex forms and relationships, all within the natural limits of the planet itself. That is to say that no individual species overexploits its surroundings and lives in balance with all other species. If this weren't true, then there wouldn't be such dazzlingly complex and diverse communities of life forms at all. Living in harmony in a given area or region, like, for example, in the great rainforests of the tropics or the coral reefs of the oceans and so on. Why then, I hear you ask, do we human beings totally ignore this law? The truth is that the human life form, Almadam, equal sign human genus throughout the universe, is equipped with a conscious consciousness, a thinking consciousness with which we can align ourselves with the natural order or not. If we choose to align ourselves with the creational natural order, then generally our lives will go well. We will live in peace with nature and each other and all life, and we will develop higher on the path of our consciousness evolution. If, on the other hand, we do not live in harmony with nature and its order, our lives will be full of misery, suffering, and privation. We will destroy our fellow life forms and our home planet. There will be war, conflict, and strife, and we won't last long as a species. This is the law of cause and effect, and it is universally valid for all great times. Animals and plants, though, are unable to deviate from the balance of nature on account of their consciousness forms. Plants have an impulse consciousness and animals an instinct consciousness. In other words, the world of flora and fauna lives in perfect creational balance, order, and harmony, and evolves into ever more complex and diverse ecosystems. Human beings should relearn this natural way of life and evolution. We should realize the natural balance of life and restore peace and harmony on Earth. Then we will flourish and soar to truly unimaginable heights in our consciousness evolution.